Let's learn how to write the letters of the alphabet. We're just going to trace the capital or the big letters of the alphabet. Down at an angle, down at an angle, across. That's an A. A is for apple and ant. B goes down, curves around and around. B is for ball and bee. C curves around. C is for cat and car. D goes down and curves around. D is for dog and duck. E goes down and goes across, across, across. E is for elephant and egg. F goes down, across, and across. F is for frog and fish. G curves around and goes across. G is for goat and gate. H goes down, down, and across. H is for hen and house. I goes down, across, and across. I is for ice cream and igloo. J goes down and curves to the left and across. J is for jet and jam. K goes down, then down at an angle, down the other way at an angle, and K is for key and kite. L goes down and across. L is for lion and lamp. M goes down at an angle, down at another angle, up at an angle, and down at an angle. Look at all those angles. M is for moon and mouse. N goes down, down at an angle, and straight up. N is for nest and nut. O goes all the way around and closes the circle. It's more like an oval, but you can think of it as a circle. O is for octopus and orange. P goes down and curves around. P is for pig and pear. Q goes around like O, like the circle, but it also goes down at an angle. Q is for queen and quilt. R goes down, then curves around and out at an angle. R is for rabbit and ring. S is fun. It curves one way, then it curves the other way. S is for sun. And shoes. T goes down and across. T is for tree and truck. U goes down and curves and goes back up. U is for umbrella and unicorn. V goes down at an angle, up the other angle, and V is for violin and vase. W goes down at an angle, up at an angle, down at an angle again, and up at another angle. W is for watch and whale. X crosses. It goes down at an angle and down crossing the other side at an angle. X is for xylophone and X-ray. Y goes down at an angle, and straight down. Y is for yo-yo and yacht, which is a big boat. Z goes across, down at an angle, and across again. Z is for zebra and zipper. We did all the letters of the alphabet. Good job.